Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Look up at the night sky. Beyond the stars, you can see with your naked eyes. There are massive glowing clouds of cosmic dust and gas hiding in the pitch black. These are nebulas, the most beautiful, violent, and mysterious structures in the entire universe. Today we are diving into deep space to uncover the hidden secrets of these cosmic wonders. If you are ready to have your mind blown, hit that like button and let's get right into it. So, what exactly is nebula? To put it simply, a nebula is either the birthplace of new stars or the spectacular graveyard of dead ones. These are giant stellar nurseries spanning dozens of light years across the galaxy, made mostly of hydrogen, helium, and cosmic dust. But how do they actually work? Imagine a massive cloud floating in the freezing vacuum of a space. Over millions of years, gravity starts pulling all that loose gas together. As it gets denser, the core gets hotter and hotter until eventually boom, nuclear fusion ignites and a brand new star is born. This massive creation process is happening right now in places like the Orion Nebula. Now, not all nebulas do the same thing. You have got emission nebulas which actually glow with their own light because the super hot newborn stars inside them are radiating intense ultraviolet energy. Then you have reflection nebulas which just bounce the light of nearby stars, acting like giant cosmic mirrors. And we can't forget dark nebulas. These are so incredibly dense and thick with dust that they actually block out the light from the stars behind them, looking like massive shadow creeping across the Milky Way. So, you have probably seen famous telescope pictures of the pillars of creation inside the Eagle Nebula. Those towering columns of gas are so gigantic that our entire solar system is just a tiny speck compared to them. And those incredible vibrant colors you see in the telescope images, they are not just for show. Those colors actually tell scientists exactly what the nebula is made of. When you see deep glowing red, you are looking at hydrogen gas. When you see beautiful blues and greens, you are looking at oxygen. It's literally a giant glowing periodic table floating in space. But nebulas are not just about birth, they are also about the spectacular end of the star's life. When a star like our sun eventually dies, it blows off its outer layers, creating a stunning shell of glowing gas called a planetary nebula. The crazy part, the elements created in those dying stars, the carbon, the iron, the oxygen are eventually recycled back into the universe to form new planets and eventually life. You and I are literally made of the recycled dust of ancient nebulas. We are universe experiencing itself. If you loved this journey through space, make sure subscribe. You don't miss our next cosmic adventure. Stay curious and I will catch you in next one. Thank you for watching and I will make next time a more creative video. It's my first time make